What if I told you there's a way to get free traffic without SEO, ads, or even a website? It's real, and for under 10 bucks, you can start using it today. Stick around because this might be the most beginner-friendly traffic system you've never heard of. Most affiliate marketers are stuck spinning their wheels. They try blogging, YouTube, even paid ads, and still struggle to get consistent traffic. That's where Free Post Zone changes the game. For just $9.95, you get lifetime access to a platform that lets you publish up to 30 SEO-optimized posts every single month. No website, no hosting, no tech headaches. You can post affiliate links, lead magnets, product reviews, whatever you want. The platform handles the formatting, the SEO, and even helps your content get indexed faster by search engines. It includes built-in social sharing, lead capture forms, and it's perfect for literally any niche, from digital tools to health and fitness to local services. This is perfect for beginners who don't have a website, content creators who want to scale without ads, or affiliate marketers who just want more eyeballs on their offers. If that's you, this might be the smartest $10 you'll ever spend. Click the link in the description to join Free Post Zone. You'll get lifetime access, start posting immediately, and begin building passive traffic assets that work for you every day. Be sure to check out the included exclusive AI prompting bonuses, which will help you get more traffic and sales, and even help you create your own stunning content. Don't wait on this. Tools like Free Post Zone are rare, and this one's completely underpriced. Click the link below, grab your access, and I'll see you inside.